Tiy Jones with EXP, and I'm here with Jason Monnin with CrossCountry Mortgage, and we're going to give you some information about lending. So if you're in the market to buy a home, we have all different programs for you to choose from, and I have the expert right here sitting next to me.
All right. You'd asked me about USDA loans, and we kind of wanted to talk about what it was. It's a government loan, and it is 100% financing, which means you don't have any down payment. Basically, the highlights to qualify for it: you need a 640 credit score, you have to meet the income restrictions, and then there are property eligibility limits. So there's a map online, and you have it as well if somebody wants to ask you for it, and you'll be able to show them where the property has to be located.
Okay, so they can come from anywhere in the States, move to Texas, or can it be anywhere outside of Texas as well?
Yeah, USDA is nationwide, so the property eligibility map is all over the country. So if they just type in an address or a zip code, they'll be able to see, hey, this is the area that qualifies for USDA financing.
Okay, awesome. So if you're looking for a USDA loan and you fit this criteria, definitely give me a call so I can help you out. And we have some other programs for teachers, firefighters, police officers as well, and Jason's going to go through those too.
Yes, that's the one that we like to use a lot because it's the Texas Home for Heroes, and there's a down payment assistance program that they can go through, and it's called TSHAC. It's through the state of Texas, and the down payment assistance is tiered, so they can choose whatever fits their budget and their kind of criteria the best. They can get 2%, 3%, 4%, or 5% in down payment assistance of the percentage of the loan amount. And that way they set the rate, TSHAC does. So whatever amount of assistance you get, the higher your interest rate is going to be. So you kind of do a balancing act, that's why it's really good to talk to us and kind of see what fits your life the best. And then we can show you how much money do you want to come out of pocket, how much do you want to pay every month, and those are the type of deals. And as far as the heroes part of it, they get a mortgage credit certificate, and that fee is waived, which is over $500. Wow. So they get to save that money. Yeah. And it helps them on their taxes.
Yes, so you get that part, right?
Yes.
All right, and so we have something else.
Yeah, so if the TSHAC program typically goes with FHA buyers. Okay. So I know there's a lot of different loan programs, but you could do a conventional as well, but the majority of TSHAC loans are FHA. And if somebody were a credit score of above 680 and really above 700 kind of gives you the best terms. You could do what's called a home ready or a home possible. And what those are is you get a better set of terms for your mortgage insurance, and you only have to put 3% down. So on a conventional loan, a lot of people think you have to put 20, but you can get away with putting 3% down, and you'll get very good terms on your mortgage insurance because that's what you're going to pay until you get to 20% equity. And we can definitely go over all of that with them and show them how they can get into a home for a lot less money than they think sometimes.
And what about entrepreneurs? Because there's a lot of entrepreneurs out there, and they don't have everything to show as far as income coming in. So do you have programs for that?
Yes. So we have all kinds of brokered loans, and a lot of times what trips up entrepreneurs are their tax returns. So they might be starting a business, they might be in business for a few years, but they don't really show the income on their tax returns yet. So what we do is we do a bank statement loan, and they can give us 12 or 24 months of their personal or business bank statements. And then we can do a calculation based on all the cash flow that's going through those accounts. And we can set their month grossly income. So therefore they're qualified. Now the terms are going to be a little more higher on the interest rate because of the risk factor involved, but it's definitely a way to get yourself into a home if you're not able to show traditional income through pay stubs or tax returns.
Yeah, and so is this for new construction as well, any type of home?
Yes, they can do it for new construction. Like I said, you have FHA, conventional, VA, the USDA. The USDA has a little more stricter guidelines, but we can definitely walk them through that and see if they can make it happen.
Wow, these programs are awesome. So if any of this resonates with you, or you're looking to buy, whatever it is, give us a call, contact us, and we'll definitely walk you through all the steps. I'm Tiy Jones with EXP, and we have
Jason with CrossCountry Mortgage.